In this video, we'll explore the top 5 documentation tools available today. Documentation tools are platforms that empower you to create and maintain technical documentation efficiently. Let's dive in. Before we look at the tools, let's understand what makes for great documentation. First, it should be easy to write, offering simple authoring options, ideally with Markdown support and user-friendly editors. Second, it needs to be easy to find information with powerful search capabilities and organized navigation. Collaboration is essential, so it needs real-time editing and version control. Finally, a professional look matters, with beautiful themes and customizable branding options. Tool number 1 is Notion. Notion positions itself as an all-in-one workspace, offering block-based editing and database integration. Notion also offers cross-platform sync so that documentation can be accessed anywhere. Here is a simple example of using the Notion application programming interface to create a new page. First, import the client from the Notion headquarters client library, then instantiate a new client with your authentication token. Finally, call the page's create method to create a new page with the title documentation. Tool number 2 is GitBook. It is a platform designed for creating beautiful documentation sites with seamless Git integration. It also has a rich text editor and options for using custom domains. Here is an example GitBook configuration file. In this file, you can specify the root directory, the structure including the README and summary files, and integrations such as GitHub. Setting enabled to true will enable the GitHub integration. Tool number 3 is Confluence. Confluence offers enterprise-grade collaboration features and integrates seamlessly with the Atlassian ecosystem. It supports advanced permissions and provides powerful search and filter capabilities. Here's an example of using the Confluence REST application programming interface. The code shows a post request to the specified website. Authentication is handled using a basic authentication token in the header. The page data is then passed in the body of the request as a JavaScript object notation string. Tool number 4 is Docusaurus. It is a React-powered static site generator that's perfect for building documentation websites. Docusaurus is Markdown-driven, offers built-in search functionality, and supports internationalization. Here's an example of a Docusaurus configuration file written in JavaScript. You can set the title, tagline, and the uniform resource locator. Within the theme configuration, you can customize the navigation bar and other visual elements. Tool number 5 is BookStack. It is an open-source and self-hosted documentation platform that organizes content in a book-like structure. BookStack features a what you see is what you get editor and role-based permissions. Here's an example of using the BookStack application programming interface. This code shows a fetch request to create a new page. The authorization token is passed in the header. The page data is converted to JavaScript object notation and passed in the body of the request. In conclusion, choosing the right tool depends on your specific needs. Notion is great for teams wanting workspace integration. GitBook excels at creating beautiful product documentation sites. Confluence is well suited for large organizations requiring enterprise-grade features. Docusaurus is ideal for technical documentation. And BookStack is perfect for privacy-focused teams. Remember, the best tool is the one your team uses. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.